Hey, I'm in Stockholm now, and I'm confused where to go. So, hey, welcome back to my channel again. So, this is my tour for my research break. So, kasi weekend kasi. So, wala akong research duty sa Linnaeus University. So, I traveled last night from Växjö to Stockholm. So actually, nag-take siya ng mga 4 hours for a regular train. 4 to 5 hours. Okay, so one of the places na pinuntahan ko sa Stockholm is yung City Hall nila. So, as you can see, eto yung City Hall nila. Yan. Parang ang ganda. And then, may free wifi dito sa loob. Pero, mostly kasi yung mga tao, they don't use actually so much of cell phones or internet. They keep on talking, tapos kung mag-iisa ka lang, nagbabasa ka lang sa sa bench. Yung iba naman, nag-hiking, nagja-jogging, yun lang. Yun yung mga hobby nila palagi. So, ito naman yung yung river beside. Actually, it's a lake beside sa City Hall ng Stockholm. And actually, according to them, this is actually connected to the Baltic Sea daw. So, as we've known from the history na there are 14 islands sa Stockholm. So, ito yung mga lakes na nagko-connect sa mga islands. In fairness, lakas makamamamiya vibe naman siya, oh. Kasi, 'di ba ang ABBA is Swedish. In fact, dito sa Stockholm, meron silang The ABBA Museum. Unfortunately, wala akong time makabisita doon sa museum na yun eh. Idol na idol siya ng mga tita ko. So maybe in my next trip back here in Stockholm, mabibisita ko siya. You might be thinking, ang OA naman maglakad nito. Actually, ang sakit ng paa ko dyan. Kasi nakaboots ako dahil sa sobrang lamig ng lupa nila. So nakaboots ako. Medyo may katangkaran ng boots. And then, ang sakit na ng paa ko kasi kanina pa ako naglalakad dyan. Okay, so ito naman yung part ng square ng Gamla Stan or known as the Stockholm, the Old Town Stockholm. So in fact, maraming pupunta dito kasi yung talaga, yung mga buildings niya is sobrang makaluma. So yan. Okay, this time naman, nandito tayo sa loob ng Nobel Prize Museum. So this is one of the most famous museums sa Stockholm na dinarayo ng maraming turista. Fun fact about this is that I arrived daw 30 minutes late after si Maria Risa, a Filipino Nobel Prize winner for Peace, nakaalis na siya. In fact, sa part na ito, hinanap ko yung parang area ni Maria Risa na nagtanong kasi ako sa mga reception. Kasi when I entered in the reception area, yung entrance dapat, I forgot, 250 krona ata yun. So that's Swedish krona. And then, sabi ko, medyo mahal pala. Tapos sabi niya, nung nalaman ng receptionist na I'm a Filipino, sabi niya, sige, as a Filipino tribute kasi nandito yung Filipino Nobel Prize winner kanina lang. So I'll just give it to you for 100. Nagulat ako, 'di ba? Ang layo, 150 talaga yung discount. So yun, tapos nakapasok ako doon. So I checked that and more. The Nobel Prize. Oh, that's Steven Shu. Nice. Okay. Let's say I'll get who's the Nobel Prize for this, Michael Rex. And Bading Nobel Prize, it's John Howard Northrop. 1891, 1987. Okay. When I was a kid talaga, mahilig ako mag-drawing. Hindi siguro ako kagalingan mag-drawing, but mahilig ako mag-drawing. And in fact, parang nung time na yun kasi, may part pala sa museum na pwede kang mag-draw. So parang nahil yung inner child ko. So nag-draw ako doon. Simpleng drawing lang ako, hindi naman kagandahan. Basta drino ko siya. That's the same drawing I drawn back sa PUP sa Lagun, kasi parang may organization sa PUP that time before I left for Sweden. Nagdo-drawing sila, tapos may mga libreng chalk. So ako, nag-drawing din ako sa anong tawag ito, sa lupa. So nag-drawing ako using the chalk. So same drawing na ginawa ko dito sa museum. Okay, I had an unforgettable memory sa Stockholm, even for a short period of time lang. Kasi weekend lang ako pumunta sa Stockholm eh. And then, I had to travel at night. So kung titingnan nyo, ang gabi na yan, walang masyadong tao, pero hindi nakakatakot maglalakad. In fact, according to them, safe na safe kang maglalakad. I was walking at 12 midnight sa oras na yan. Yan, papunta na ako sa train station, pabalik ng Växjö. But it had to be connecting train kasi eh.